how to reinstall the Marriott app to fix crashes or freezing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to reinstall the app to fix the freezes and crashes, then you'll need to head over to iPhone settings, go to General, and then tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and search for the Marriott app. So you can tap on show all and then search for the app, tap on it and tap on offload app. So this will not delete the documents and data but just delete the app. And then you can see the reinstall app option. You can tap on it and now it will be updated and there will be no freezes and crashes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.